Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix mobile hotspot not working on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart phone, just click on hold side power button and enter phone pin. Just click on hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again click on this restart top. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, click on hotspot and connection. If you want to fix this problem, so click on personal hotspot and turn on hotspot. After turn on hotspot, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so check your internet connection. Internet connection is work properly. Your problem is solved. If it not solved, click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset and enter your phone pin. Go back to home screen, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix mobile hotspot not working on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.